Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love guys, blessed love. I am outside. Welcome to Kino Life in New York. You know, you think because I am outside. So today guys, there's a place here where Raider's gonna take me. We got some wonderful houses like decorated with pepper light, you know, a lot of lights on the house them, so bright. So he was telling me about that, you know, and I think a couple of people told me about it. You can go check out the house them with the pepper lights and where it's really looking nice. So we're out now, cause you know we have to choose night to do it, you know. So that's where we're gonna go now, you know, to go and check it out. But guys, I'm here, you know, outside Triple Deuce. You know, this is where we did have our meet and greet, you know, and sadly, you know, I lost all the footage, you know. So but you know, everything sometime happen for a reason, you know, because we're gonna do back over a video so I can showcase what's going on here at Triple Deuce. Well, go on. Bling bling. Yeah, yes guys, so we can showcase what's going on here, you know, at Triple Deuce. Because it's a nice, wonderful so it's like it's a food bar, you know, it's a dining, you know, you can literally, it's a restaurant, everything in one, restaurant, bar, you know, like where you can come and enjoy yourself. So I'm definitely gonna showcase that on another day, you know. So anyway, thing goes. So we're out here with Radar Raja, our love, you know,
blinging like a look. It's
yeah,
all custom. You see that?
You know, the bling.
Who you see with these?
Yeah.
Tell me the honest truth. Who you see with these?
Nobody. Look what a bling, man.
Eh?
Jeez. Come like a pure diamond.
Look, I'm going to send one to get wow chef.
Wow chef, yeah.
I'm going to send one
yeah.
wow chef, you know.
Wow chef, I can even a bling ice.
Yeah, man. Ice.
Dripping.
Wow chef just say it's dripping.
It's dripping.
Look at the drip. Look
yeah.
at the drip.
And wow chef just say, yo, dripping. He's going to keep that in the fridge. So yeah, man. So we're going to check out those places that Arla was talking about, where them got them wonderful houses, blinging with pepper light. So we're going to see what going down there. So yes guys, so we'll check it out. So we're here on Boston Road, right?
Boston Road 222nd.
Boston Road 222nd. So yeah man, it's not so cold tonight, it's nice.
It's nice out, and this palm tree, there's a palm tree right there, sir.
It's really nice. So it's right down there, sir.
Palm trees.
Guys, look at this. Beautiful. Look, they're really celebrating Christmas though. Damn. Wow. Tell the truth, this house is going on good so far. I'm not even lying. This seems like the number one so far. The neighbors them doing the same. They really celebrating Christmas, boy. Wow. Christmas. Guys, welcome to my home. No, sir. Them people are really celebrating Christmas, but it's looking good, you know. These places looking so good. The way they done this, yeah. So I guess that I have one over there. So we're gonna check out some more. Wow. Happy New Year to you too. well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. You know, welcome to Kino Life in New York. You know, it goes already. So today, you know, I'm going to head to I'm going over to Church Avenue. You know, 'cause I got a cousin over there. You know, blood cousin that lives over there, you know, and also, you know, when you give me say look at you and Nutsy white van, you know, that's it there, that's them there, you know. So yes guys, so I want to give a big shout out as well to, you know, because I want to thank all my extended family that turn out, you know, that give me this huge support, you know. I thank you so much as well too. And also guys, I also thank the Empress because she's been so wonderful bringing me around. You know, she's been a loyal viewer to the program, our extended family, you know. And so, well, Radar, you know, he went down upstairs to see Colors Smith, you know, because he was going there to see Colors. So, and then I already did book this to go and see my cousin today in Church Avenue because he bring me around to get some stuff, you know, to take back home. So that's why I couldn't get to make that trip. So he's gonna meet me over there by Church Avenue, you know. So thank you guys. So Empress is here. She is here. Empress. Empress, how you doing?
Hi, my lovely people.
Empress is here. So guys, hold on, put my seatbelt on before them say, Kino, put on your seatbelt. I know they will say that. You know what I mean? So guys, remember, if you're watching, and as I say, check out Empress Niche, you know, on her Instagram. You know, she's gonna be a future YouTuber as well too. You know, she's gonna be a content creator. You know, so she's in my class right now. You know, so yes, guys, I already give her the prep. You know, I let her know what YouTube is gonna be like. You know, and everything. I told her, you know, she have to look out for the naysayers and, you know, but it's always good. Say, don't pay this thing no mind. You know, I explained that to her. You know, and I remember since I've been here, you know, she's been so good to me, helping me, showed me around, you know, showed me the spots them, the landmarks them. You know, even though she missed one, but she done so much that just wipe off that one that she missed. Right, Empress?
Yes, yeah, definitely.
Yes, guys. So, me already prep her, you know, like when you're prepping cook, I already did that. So I told her, I said, listen, Empress, even when time me up and down, just look out for they're gonna say that me and you together. Remember I said that to you? Yeah, I even said that to her. So she's at alert for everything, yes. Right? So I tell her, don't pay the comment section no mind, you know, just, and we appreciate her so much, guys. So I already tell her, I'm a prepper. I say, Empress, listen, once them see me and you are roll, they're gonna say we are together. Did I say that to you, right?
Definitely.
Alright. And you say, Kino, it's cool, man, you know, I'm just giving you the strength because of the good work that I'm doing, you know. And that's good, you know, because when you do good, you're gonna attract good around you. So it's the same energy. So wherever I go in this world, because of the goodness that I've been doing, I know I'm gonna attract so many good in my life. I'm gonna meet so much good people, you know, because imagine an Empress like her right now giving me a time, which is, she never have to give me her time. She never have to. And I really appreciate that so much. So, you know, whenever the Empress come Jamaica, I have to show her the same time.
Right. You know, go show me Jamaica, man.
Of course. Because she been watching me and D, you know, and see they all over Jamaica, you know. So she said, alright then.
I want to know Jamaica like that too.
Alright, so she want to know Jamaica like that too.
Yes.
So she start her ball game first. So, you know, when she come Jamaica, I have to return the same flavor.
Right.
You know, so I say it work vice versa. But she's smart. She makes sure, like, you know, don't worry, anywhere you're going, I'm there. So whenever I come Jamaica, please. Because we're from Negril, right?
Negril, yeah.
She's from Negril. And she said, Kina, I don't know where at all.
I don't know nowhere. I go from airport to Negril. So I've been to Kingston for the first time this year and Ochi. So I really don't know Jamaica and I'm from there. Because I couldn't go at people yard. I couldn't go on field trip. I couldn't go anywhere. So I feel like I don't know Jamaica. So I need Kino help.
Wow, imagine that, guys.
Yeah.
Live in Jamaica and she don't know Jamaica. Because she said she grew up, she always inside her house, right?
Inside, couldn't go anywhere, yeah.
Wow.
Grandmother was strict, you know? So, yeah, we get beaten if we go to people yard and stuff. We couldn't go to beach. Can you imagine the beach down the street and we couldn't go?
And you couldn't go. So that means you
that's
can't
why
swim.
I don't know if you swim.
You can't swim. Damn, she can't swim, guys. So it's good thing, don't worry. Whenever you come here, you want to go beach, me have life jacket. You know, I just got a brand new one the other day as well too. So, you know, me always have my life jacket for especially. Imagine you live in Negril, right next to the beach, and you can't swim. Empress.
Can't swim. That's so embarrassing. I walk in water.
Walk in the water.
Yeah.
I know most people that's from Negril, they can swim. You know, because the beach is right there. And imagine this Empress where can't. Well, at least you go and wash your locks. You know?
Right.
The Empress, the sister locks. You know, guys, I'm gonna say her Instagram is Empress Niche. You know, and remember, you know, don't go to stock. You know, just go and like what go on and thing, you know.
Yeah,
and support her. So she'll be on the YouTube, she'll be start do a YouTube channel. When she gonna start it? But I was recommending you can use that name Empress Niche, you know. So for now, guys, you can get to know her, know what she's about and everything. So you know when she's ready. Yeah. I told her it's not gonna be easy, you know. It's gonna be a hard ball game, you know. But once we say it's gonna be hard, it might seem hard. But we have to just say it's gonna be easy, it's nothing, you know. So we have to speak the positive for the positive outcome back, you know. So forgive me if I even say something like that, you know, even the viewers them can know me, I really like to speak things into being. So I never mean it that way. But you know, so you have to go put in the work, you know. Definitely. But the work, you have to be consistent as well to doing this thing. So because your viewers them are gonna wanna see you. You know, I remember I used to release a video every day, but I'm trying to release every other day because of the time, you know.
Every day is a lot, right?
So the Empress, oh, you got your hair done, Empress.
Yeah, me neat it up today, you know.
Oh,
Yeah.
Empress, man. Everybody like the Empress, the sister locks. So I know one time I do my brother locks, and I'm gonna say, wow, Keenan, I like your brother locks, you know. So Empress, how's the WD-40 working? It's good, right?
Yeah, still at work, man. Still at work.
WD-40 working. Listen,
Still at work.
it's working. You should loosen up so much, you know. So guys, I'm gonna say WD-40 and natural juice, or you can try WD-40 and water. Whenever you feel shy, you know, WD-40 and water, or WD-40 and natural juice. Yeah, man, the WD-40, whenever you have rust or anything, you can spray it and it loosen it up. So that's what I did. I sprayed some WD-40 all over the Empress. So, and she's good. You know, she's good. So yes, guys, so we're gonna head to Church Avenue. You know, that's in Brooklyn, to see my cousin. I'm gonna say a blood cousin. So I cannot come here, I don't see him. The last time I was here, I never get a chance to see him. So this time, I'm taking this day off, you know, from seeing him today for that reason. You know, and then after now, I might go see a little landmark, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, we're gonna show him a landmark. Something. You know, that you guys never really get to see. You probably see it on your TV or see it on your smartphone, but you never been there. So I'm gonna take you there with us. So we're gonna head over there. So you know the thing goes already, guys, so stay tuned. Remember, if you reach this far listening to me and you haven't put the thumbs up, please put the thumbs up, right, Empress?
Definitely. You know,
Yeah,
Kino deserve it, you know.
Right.
So not just watch, we need to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm telling you, the Empress put out the work as well. You know, Empress, I say, yo,
Deserve it, man. Him do
subscribe,
so much good, you know?
subscribe. Whenever you see anyone say, subscribe to Kino Live, she's doing more than me, you know.
Yeah.
She remind me of Miss Charmaine in Florida, you know. Mommy Charmaine, yeah, when she make sure say everyone has subscribed. So mommy, she is doing the same right now. You know, she's doing the same right now. So don't worry, guys. You need to get used to the Empress. You know, her name is Empress. you know, the locks.
Yeah, real genuine, good-hearted person. You know,
Yes.
you deserve it. Kind of make no sense. People out there were not spreading good. I get all the likes them, and this person who is doing so much good, you know, like, I mean, him I get eventually is gonna get better, but you know what?
Yeah.
Come on, instead of watching, you know, just please like and subscribe.
Wow, that is the Empress speaking. You know, you would have thought to come all the way from Africa, you know, with love. You know, the Empress speak with love. Well, Empress, you're gonna do good on YouTube, you know, because they're gonna like your energy. Because she's such a humble soul, just like me, you know, kind-hearted. Imagine, if I big up Radar Love as well, to guys. I'm gonna say to support Radar Love, you know, because he's been a wonderful hosting me as well too, you know. So it's both Radar Love and anyone, the Empress here. Yeah, is hosting me here right now. You understand? Making me feel welcome with all my lovely viewers and subscribers that here. The love that you show me is unbelievable, you know. But you only encourage me to do this for another 100 years. You know, with all this love that I'm getting from you, hey, I have to continue this journey. You know, it's a must. It's a must. So yeah. So which part we there now? I'll reach over
Still
there.
in the Bronx on 233rd.
Okay.
You know, we're picking up a
friend.
you know, somebody who knows
Yeah.
the place better than me. So if me can't help Kino, me definitely I'll get somebody who can help me,
Yeah.
because I'm a Florida girl. I live in New York, but you know, I use my GPS a lot, and I don't really go certain places. So this girl born and raised here, so you know, me have to get some help if I
Yeah.
can't help Kino the way that I should.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Yes,
Picking up
guys.
an extra person to,
Yeah. So we're gonna pick up Google Map
yeah.
herself,
Google
you know.
Map,
She
yeah.
is Google Maps, like
Yeah.
she knows so many stuff, sir. She's
Yeah.
Google Map, you know. Her name is
Right.
Kashima, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she knows so many places. She is the landmarker. So we're gonna pick her up, you know, to be on the journey, because trust me, she is the Google Map. So she's gonna help both of us. So at least I'm gonna know more places, and the Empress is gonna know more places, and at
Right.
least you guys can see places where you probably heard of, you know, I never see before, or you see it but never been there. But I'm gonna go there, so you know it goes. So you're gonna meet her in a minute. We're gonna pick her up now, and then we're gonna head to Brooklyn. So stay
Right.
tuned and meet her. That
Okay.
is it. guys, so we're on the journey. We just pick up Kashima.
Hi guys.
AKA Google Map. We just pick up the Google Map, guys. So you know
I know my neighborhood, Bronx born and raised.
Yes. We can't even see her face. Can you see her? Light. There we go. Let there be light. So there she are, guys. That's Kashima.
Yes.
You know, she knows some landmarks and stuff. You know,
I do. I like to tour. I'm not afraid of getting lost.
So she's tutorial.
Yeah.
You know, she will tour.
Welcome.
Hello, Miss. She put on her glasses on. Miss Empress. Like she's ready to teach now, guys. She's in the class. She's teacher. Miss, you know, teacher. Alright then, guys. You know we want to get on the journey now. So you know the thing goes already.
Definitely.
See me? Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here in Brooklyn. So we're there in Brooklyn, guys. Gonna meet up my cuz. You're gonna see me now. Yo, cuz. Oh, go on. Yeah, there we go. See there, the man himself. The man himself. When I hear the name, whoa. I hear look you nuts and white van. See that? Right here, sir. The Empress. To the Empress there. And you have Kashima.
How are you?
So this is my cousin, you know? Yeah. Yeah. I threw a pure traffic, man.
Yeah.
And a pure traffic come over here. So I wish I have a white van.
See right that's the one.
This.
Yeah,
oh.
People United. This is a weed place, you know.
Okay.
Then the name PU.
So we say Church Avenue, we say white van. This is the white van.
The white van this.
Oh.
No.
Rush. Say the answer. Rush.
Yeah. That's how we got not to think about the thing. And tonight I not see something, you know.
No.
Down at the wharf, you know. No, this was my party October the 19th.
Oh God, see you there?
Yeah.
So Mr. One day.
You know.
Manners.
See you man them, yeah.
The team when I jump out of the ball.
thing, you know.
Yo, Zaya. Big up yourself, man.
You know the
Good
thing,
man.
man. Love what you do to man, you see it?
Yeah.
The way you do, man, you don't know the thing, man, you see it?
Yeah.
When you send on me thing, I deal with the program. I eat, man. Oh, chef. And all of the man, them, you see it, cuz.
Yes, and then know.
All of the Rasta man, them, you see it.
So guys, when they hear about white van, you see me? Church Avenue. Alright, I say, you know.
Read my people too, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
One family, man. One church town night, you know, over there on the avenue. She dance.
Yeah, man, yeah, catching the rat, man. Yeah, man, catching.
Yes, the dance. Or the local shot the one get up.
You want something for you?
Yeah.
So come.
Go. Empress. Okishima. You want back here?
See that?
Watch you dance. Catch you dance. Hey, catch you dance. You catch you dance. Hey, you catch you dance. Rasta boss dance. Get in. Oh, yeah. Walk out. Yeah. Walk out. Hey. Yeah, cause you know you think go somebody up on the ground.
Man, you go. I say, how do you come on the ground?
Yeah, finally.
Yeah, finally you got Miami one here.
Of course.
And down there.
Guys, remember, every time when you hear say look you not see a white van, you know. So we put a face to the name, you know, it goes
Roach too, you know.
Oh yeah, Roach.
Roaches,
You know, Roach look like him at the humble and quiet one though, you know. Roach don't really say much. Rasta man, yeah.
Last night.
Nice, you know. Yeah.
Hello.
Look, you know, YouTube.
Am I
YouTube.
My video?
Yeah, but remember the
I'm a
YouTube thing,
YouTuber.
Kino life in Jamaica.
Charity and stuff. Yeah.
Last night was my party.
So you never come tell me no.
Where was the last time I see you was in Shallow Party?
Yeah.
You never come no. Give cause a shout out.
Yeah, man.
I got you.
Yeah,
DM me so I can know that's you.
Yeah, why you give a little shout out for the thing for me right
Oh
now.
no.
Don't come here. I keep party last night.
I'm shy. Yo, last night was the first I took the mic and I saw it.
I keep party. Yeah. Of course. We come like unshire.
Yes.
So see that guys, she's not shy anymore. So right now I'm just unshired.
Alright.
You say about shout out, man.
Yes, my name is Amber B. I'm a hairstylist from Brooklyn. So ladies, guys, if you need your dreads done, braids, lace fronts, everything, I do it for you. And I keep my parties, so yes, that is it.
So when is the next party?
September 13th, 2025. It's called Denim and Champagne. It's my birthday party. Yes.
Yeah. Alright, come pick up that party, yeah.
Which party is it? Oh, Marcy. Oh, yes.
See?
Alicia, see.
I know this pass already. Oh, yes, that's my girl, Cover Girl. What do you mean? Yes, we definitely outside for Cover Girl Alicia. Friday, January 17th. That's my girl. Definitely outside for that.
Of course we're outside.
Yes.
We're outside. January 17th. We're outside for that. See that guys, so book it. Don't be late. Kina is gonna be right there. So outside for that, right?
Definitely. Definitely gonna catch the Buzz Boss in the Cover Girls party.
See this?
Kino this.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah, make sure you come through.
Of course I'm gonna come through. Yeah.
Yeah, shot forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I hate this Kino cause.
Yeah, man. The white one, man. Cooler, man.
The little thing out there. I'm
Yeah.
supposed to lie on that thing about him eye, isn't it?
Oh.
A Westman too, you know. Yeah. A Westman too, you know.
Yeah.
Rastafari, Selassie, I live here, that lion.
All the time.
Yeah, man.
Cooler, man.
Them
All
and
the
town on Wellington Street. Roar!
time.
Original lion art you.
Yeah.
Hear that?
Alright. Big up yourself.
Rastafari,
All the
again.
time.
Lion.
Lion.
Lion, there's the cause there too, you know. In the jar,
You're an artist.
Yeah.
Cooler, man.
You see me?
And-
So Naira there.
Alright, go back.
You see Naira there. So now
Where you gone?
Just how reach
No.
Yeah, just a reach and put right on us.
Yeah.
You see?
Yes, sir, man. Big up for yourself.
So,
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And talk to her, you see me?
Yeah.
Remember your shop where you go check the man them and them have the gold chair?
Yeah, okay.
Rose gold.
Rose gold.
Yeah,
Oh.
from deal with him, man.
Alright then.
And it's a chin this, Landry,
Yeah.
our boy, you know.
Landry, man. Yeah.
Landry, man, to see you.
Guys, see, I'm here in Brooklyn.
Brooklyn,
You know,
New York.
they're on the Church Avenue.
You see it.
And I think I have to be here, you know. So,
Where tell them subscribe to us and them watch it.
Kino Life
Keen alive.
in Jamaica.
You know, long cause to come here.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
Because now Florida. You
I
see
tap
it.
me now,
I
cause-
tap me right now.
Because I'm saying, blood, this is blood family, you know. Blood,
No way.
Yeah.
You see me?
But,
Big up boom, you know.
Yeah.
You see it?
The wow chef and
And wow chef, you know.
Rasta
Big
Jackson.
Rasta Jackson. Mother Teresa.
Yeah.
Where my girl name?
We have Esther.
Esther, man. Esther Wagwan.
Yeah.
Know the thing, cause.
Cool,
I say
man.
baby.
Yeah.
And when mama name, grandmama man, grandmother, Latisha.
Not Tisha.
Yeah, you have to smile more time, yeah?
Yeah.
That me I tell you.
Yeah.
You have to smile, Natisha.
Rich was granny now.
Yes, she a granny
So not
now,
Tisha,
yeah.
you turn granny,
She a
stop
granny.
smiling now.
Yeah,
You
she a
turn
granny
granny.
now, yeah.
Eh.
Yeah.
Oh. How are them stuff?
Come,
Oh, daily.
Blessings, more life.
Stop store there and
Yeah, me.
I pick up cheap.
over the design store.
Alls. Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of alls, how much are the alls? $1 something.
Watch it, you're good, Kina, man.
$1.50.
Because man, I
Okay.
want to, man.
This is a local shop.
Yeah, the corner store, you see it?
See there.
Daily what we work with, you see it?
Well, because you come at the whole of Brooklyn over here, know you, man.
Yeah, man, you know, my place comes from here, me I tell you.
Yeah.
Long time we there, no cause I
Good. And what you kill for the
remember we there Rima with the man them, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Show down the days and them man there now play football, watch
Yeah,
man them play
yeah,
ball.
cool.
And the man never know all of them man there. But who father name where that emotion?
Carl Brown.
Alright. Lenny, I'm a family, you know, when Lenny I play for boys son.
Yeah?
Then I'm a cousin man.
Yeah. So Joe not over here?
Yeah, but a Queens in there.
Oh, Queens in there.
Queens Joe there.
Okay. Come last time.
Used to jump to them side and we used to see man them thing there.
Yeah. I'm
That's
the
how
man.
send money.
Oh,
When I
fire
send
so.
money,
Oh, so they're close.
yeah.
They're close when I said, guys, you see, this is where when the money come for the dream team and the
right,
people
that's
them
where
are from
come
right
from.
here, so it come from.
When
See
I
there?
forward to the Rio,
Yeah.
Rio side.
Right there it come from. So when tell,
Pass back where I go in there.
yeah. So when you hear we say you're from, look who you not see, in the white van. Yeah man, I right there say sent you. That's how close it is. There.
We are to in the restaurant and some people from Maxfield.
Oh,
Yeah, right on the corner from Rio.
downtown.
Downtown. One Jamaica walk by,
Yeah.
when they come, I just saw them they walk. And
Okay.
the people money in the restaurant, they talk about the clean food and all that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Remember.
Yeah, right, that's all.
You see there, so Jamaica walk by.
Yeah, you
But
see
there
it?
in your spot.
In your place.
But there in your place.
And we are going to the same restaurant where you're going to.
We are talking about clean food. So I'm going to try out the clean food where you say Jamaica walk by. Because you say clean food, you know, so I'm going to try it out.
Yeah.
And they must have seafood, because I know me have seafood.
Yeah, they have seafood, they have pineapple. Pineapple, what that? I think the pineapple salmon and them things.
Yeah.
I see them in Korean store there.
So when you say look, that a Church Avenue is like a busy place, like a main street.
Yeah, like Flatbush.
Okay.
And that's how we're going to probably walk, we're going to look to sneakers.
Yeah, man. Let's do that, man.
Yeah, man.
Main street. So Empress is good?
Not stand this now, you know.
Yeah. Empress don't leave me out, you know.
Yeah. Are you on the daddy? Wait, name?
Yeah, man. Kashima out there. Face smile. Brooklyn are really the main street for you see how the street look. Really the main street.
You don't see train station,
Yeah.
the people are coming out like train
Oh, the subway there right there. sir. Yeah.
This is a lockdown, real lockdown.
Oh, really? It's locked down.
See subway and the people that come out from
Yeah.
You
Feel like I'm at Kingston right here, so.
see it. No,
I told I feel like we're there, yes.
see, China them there.
Yeah.
Nail shop.
See him where you feel like a... Oh, so the restaurant is with clean food.
Yeah. See, clean food restaurant, Caribbean vibes.
Caribbean vibes.
Yeah. You see.
Caribbean vibes, so yeah.
Come in.
Yeah.
The big there.
Close. Nah, like that. Glad to finally see you, bro.
Long years of police,
Hello, man.
You see.
Guys, you saw how much this man do for the program, you know. So when you meet family in person, just imagine, you know, him on the team, you know.
Different thing, you see.
Roach, I really say much, you know, but Roach.
Yeah, I'm gonna go easy, you know?
Yeah. Roach, I go and watch them.
You see.
Garrison, man. Kingston, I come from too. Tivoli? Oh, so you're down the road. Original Tivoli road. See it there? Listen, we are Tivoli. A peace and love we are dealing right now. Remember them used to have them past, but now peace and love. Look at that. Yeah.
Big up on the fort.
Yeah.
See one fort.
Yeah.
Sasa.
Yeah.
You know what you think, Sasa? So good.
Alright.
You think for?
See that?
So I guess everything for. You see, and Kino?
Yes.
You see, one for
Say bad does true.
Mother Steve up, big up yourself.
Same up, and
Ice water, big up yourself.
This is a guy, you know.
I mean,
Right.
yeah.
You know, do video, you know.
So just make that noise and you want to check out Kino Life in Jamaica and just see it. You see ice water, because don't get warm. You know, I'm going to need the ice water. You know him?
Original Rima youth.
I know him there, man. Know him, man. Because if I mention it, most of them want to watch it. I go say, yeah, man, we know ice water, man. So, I saw order, don't you, sir? Come. I get the salmon, man. Yes, hello.
Oh, we used to watch you from Trenchtown.
Yeah. So if you used to watch me and stuff,
I would have said money come here. Yeah.
you doing it already?
The man named Corinthian
Yeah, okay.
from Florida.
Oh, so of course I used to watch me and stuff. Guys, she used to watch me and stuff. See her there? If you start watch back now, because you see yourself now. Yeah. Exactly. Yo, guys, see that? She used to watch me and stuff, you know.
Woman there.
Oh,
Auntie there. For the player.
she there?
You watch him, man.
You can't stop watching me now. Big bad chef.
Chef this, you know.
See
Kino
there?
Life in Jamaica.
Big bad chef.
Here, Chateau. You know you watch it on YouTube?
You want to see on
Oh, you see me too?
You know, subscribe.
Yeah.
So you watch me and subscribe. You're one of them as well.
You have to subscribe. You can't watch it and not subscribe.
You subscribe? Make sure, you know. You can't watch me, you don't subscribe, you know. And like your friend now, she said she used to watch.
Trenchtown School music.
You used to go to Trenchtown school? What's your name? What's your name?
Why you say? You have to like a
Yeah, well,
No.
oh, you check.
And you stop watching program. Why you stop watching program?
You have to watch me watch it, man. When shot girl always a cook there. When name?
Wow chef.
Shot back one.
Wow chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big him up, man. Big up the wow chef, man.
Big up wow chef.
Oh, I'm the one in the kitchen right now, you know. Whoa, you know. When they come in the kitchen, whoa. Yeah, man. So I try out the food right now. Yeah.
Okay, then fine.
Salmon. What now?
We have a lot of stuff.
Oh, now rice and beef. What kind of rice?
We have one rice. You say what? Is that red?
Basmati rice. Yes, sir.
That's red peas, rice and beef.
Basmati rice, you know, use.
We have used parboiled rice. Parboiled rice.
Let me get that to the salmon. Empress, let's say one. Are you all sir?
I'm sorry?
Yeah, come on.
Video. Yeah.
How is cashew, man? Yeah? Rice and peas. Eh? What's that? That's what she gone. Fire upon the pork, man. Yeah. If you don't listen, big up the pork lovers. Then we're not fight against me, you know, but we not to know the thing, right? You know. Not fight against them, man. Big up the pork lovers, then see. But we not fight against them, no. We can do better. Cool. Miss Steam veg, please. Yeah. Just getting a sliced fish. Fire upon the pork, man. Yeah. Look now, you know, rate the Empress. You have pork beside the Empress. Want a gravy, man? Empress.
That's why you get
you know, rate the Empress.
That's why you get good salad.
Salmon. Yes, a Jamaica walk by say.
This is plain pasta.
Clean restaurant. Yeah. Yeah, man. See, I the one link. Of course. What a pineapple on it? Wow.
Yeah.
So there's a pineapple salmon. Oh, the roll.
Yeah, the lobster.
Hey, that let me dog, man.
Yes, sir, yo, John,
Yeah. I said, John, money's worth. Yeah, she must spend my money. That lobster roll I had in Miami. I'm telling you. Put some more of the pineapple sauce.
That mean with the pineapple in
Kino Live in Jamaica.
Kino Live in Jamaica.
It says Kino. Yeah, live pineapple.
Want some pineapple?
Yeah.
In Jamaica. So them are subscribed.
Yeah, man, fix it, man. One trench town school all the way, guy. And you're doing it, and I come eat the food where you're doing it from, you know.
And then live, L-I-F-E, in Jamaica. So Kino Live in Jamaica. That's
She, you know.
They might fight against my pork, so guess what I get? Now let's get oxtail.
Yeah, man, I'll put a fire upon the pork, you know.
You subscribe to him too?
And say, never watch. Tell them how long you watch Kino now.
Long time I watch Kino.
Yeah.
I watch Kino.
See me a big up my man, Cola man, good man, big up yourself man, Caesar man, a big up. I know one time I was with subscribers them for picking them up, you know. Cause them I go see themselves so yeah, you know, one Kino and that's some more I make sure the food.
Yeah man, food ever you good man. I ask them man, real Jamaican food.
That's the best restaurant is.
Yeah man, number one and thing man, in Brooklyn.
Yeah. There's no other place nobody than here, so
I don't know of that still.
no of that. So guys, them say right this is the number one. Tell them what the restaurant again.
Caribbean vibes.
Caribbean vibes, goddamn Brooklyn Avenue, Brooklyn Avenue, Church Avenue, right? Them say yes, the number one. So you come and find out for yourself because me I go find out too. With that someone there. Tell them what I go and cause.
Caribbean vibes, there are no strand between Martins and Church. See chef the two, I don't know if I go like him, I know where I go.
Yeah.
See the big man here?
Are you big man there?
I am prep.
I'm
My man will deal with it.
where say the rum in the cup there.
And the water.
The rum and the water, I know man that kick off my nose from a mile along the road.
And when it cooks, man.
Yeah.
Man, you're a chef long time.
Are you do the salmon? Okay. Prep.
I am prepping.
More know who do salmon, you know. So
How cook?
oh, them are there, them gone. Alright then. So them say the best restaurant is for true? Yeah. Yeah.
People them come from where? Maxine. Big up Black.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up Black and Kayan, you know. So we come to see them.
Yeah.
So we are giving them shout out Blacks and Kayan, Caribbean Vibes Restaurant.
Up the road them come from, you know,
Maxfield people, them.
Maxfield people, them, so you know, say, up the road them come from.
Right from the south.
Yeah man, right across the road, Maxfield and French Store, you know.
Kayan and Black.
Big up the restaurant.
Yes, them know, where you say?
Big up the restaurant.
The restaurant. So you big up another restaurant inside the restaurant.
Big up the restaurant.
And that's where we were.
Let's say big up where they know.
Big up where
Dana Van, big up the restaurant.
Big up where they know.
Caribbean Vibes, big up Caribbean Vibes.
Yes.
Same link.
Yes. subscribe to Kina Life in Jamaica if you never subscribed before. Up on YouTube, we show you. Alright guys, so we're going to walk down the road and Flatbush them say.
Yeah, stop our barber shop.
Stop our barber shop. You know the barber shop have excitement already. You know? Yeah. So if you want to know anyone business, come to the barber shop. And I only trim them talk people business to as well. Yeah. Yeah man, that's how they know everybody business. Anybody business we don't know about, come to the barber shop. You will definitely know about that. Yeah man, so these are the clean restaurants, you know. So we got the food. Oh, come I wonder where the pork. I never pork or oxtail. No, she changed it. She changed it to oxtail. That's a good choice. You change it, Kashima.
Sure did.
Welcome, she baptized. Yeah? Yeah, you can go on. At least, you know. Yeah. You have to. Yes guys, so as they can see, it's a clean restaurant, you know, they can see outside we here, you know, place lively. It's like a main street, you know, so this is where we at, right here. Caribbean vibes. Whoa. See them, see Empress, what? See the food, cash in all them. Put now one bag. Put now one bag and done.
I mean, no, sell it back here, man, it's nothing else. We need a double it.
You good though? See there, so. Out of the restaurant. Which way are we going now? Alright. What a place?
Baby man, I go kill me, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, I go kill me.
Alright, so because I got big up in baby mother and Erica. Because, yeah, so I don't know how he might big you up, he might big you up here now.
You see it, Erica.
He never forgot, man, he doesn't get distracted.
Yeah, because I'm glad to see cause you see it.
Yeah, so
I don't know, Erica.
yeah.
She said she want to deal with something for you. When she name your daughter.
Oh, Cranberry.
And her sister them, yeah, Cranberry them. She
Because remember Erica tell me, say, yo, Kino,
remember?
this man always watch a program, you know.
Yeah.
And make sure as him come in, and the program he might watch.
Yeah,
so Erica, we have to big you up, see me, you know.
Big up catchy.
Yeah.
You see me?
Sorry, you never outside here, Erica. You know, there you know, I catch everything. There in your place, so you're not here.
Lock off and stay. So watch your step.
Yeah. You're in your place, so you're not here. One Avenue.
One Church Avenue, we are going to find.
One Avenue, so this is it, guys.
We go that way there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So right now we at Bedford Avenue, Bedford and Church. Also it's a Church Avenue right here. And we're at Bedford right at the corner. It says Bedford and Church. And we're heading down to Flatbush. You know. Walk on the bush right now. And see which part on the bush and trim some more, get it flatter. Walk on the bush. So this is a So this is a nightlife vlog. Walking in Brooklyn on Church Avenue, heading to Flatbush. You know the girls already. Oh, we have cousin.
Yeah, post office.
Yeah. Oh, the big one is over here.
Yeah, post office.
This is the main post office. Okay. This is the main post office. I know we're there with family. See man there on there, so.
Kino life in Jamaica. Kino life in Jamaica.
Okay, yeah, man.
YouTube.
Look yourself, man.
Kino, you're a barber shop. Tell me about it.
Fresh flavor, yeah?
Oh,
fresh.
Fresh. They put the fresh back way.
Yeah,
or a fresh faded.
This is Bolo.
Bolo from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Real top dog.
Yeah.
Outside. Barber for life. 44 years. Consistent. Can't change.
Yeah.
See, Bolo finest. Outside.
Yeah.
Super shave. Facial. Dye hair. Mustache. Come true.
So where Jamaica you from?
Kingston. Kingston level. Two legs in bed.
Okay.
On Gallus. They call it Waterhouse. Water
Yes, another one.
Real Gallus.
You see, Gallus.
Yeah.
Two side door. You're coming there. Waterhouse though.
Yeah.
Same place though.
Yeah.
Take your phone.
Yeah.
Two legs in bed.
2 legs in bed.
Where your phone?
No, my 11. Where your phone?
Get your phone. One
Yeah.
phone, 'cause you have to subscribe and thing.
Subscribe and watching.
Right now, you're going to see this.
You
You're
have
going
to
to see this.
you have to see yourself, you know.
For that
On
card.
YouTube, you know.
Okay, I forgot for the phone.
We are wait, we are checking things first.
Okay, I'll go inside now, yeah? Alright. So this, the music.
How you doing, baby? I'm Bianca. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Bianca, nice to meet you. So, Bianca, you have to go on YouTube now so you can see what I want.
All right, I got you. Tanya, let me call you right back.
Right back, tell you let me call her right back because this is important right now. Key life in Jamaica is here, says right now. So Bianca, you're a stylist too?
Yeah, I work in the back.
In the back?
I do
Okay.
dreads, braids, all of that.
So you do sister locks
Yeah, of course.
and brother locks? Don't tell me say you do the brother locks, you know?
Yes.
Oh, the channel is
Because I'm going to do it on my other phone. This phone is not connected.
Yeah.
My other phone is connected to my YouTube.
Okay.
So you want to subscribe to this one?
Yeah.
You know, Life in Jamaica. Got you.
She do the sister locks, but she don't do the brother locks. So because I'm gonna want the brother locks, you know?
See Cheryl.
Hello, Cheryl.
How you doing?
Oh, go on, Cheryl.
Everything.
Everything good, man. We say you mash up something right
Yeah,
now.
man. Every time. Every day. All day, every day.
All the day. We have the sew on right now. You sew, you know?
weave. Yeah, that weave right now.
So tell them what them can find, you know, man.
All right. Then can find me at 2257 Church Avenue.
Yeah.
Cheryl Street all the way.
All the way.
Yes, number 1 in Brooklyn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you them side number
Yes,
one?
and it's a worldwide girl. I know everybody know her. I'm a birthday party.
Oh, hot girl, man.
Yes, my birthday party, February 7th at 1663 Round Avenue.
Oh,
Yes, straight.
you subscribe to me?
Yeah. She was Oh, you subscribe to me already?
Okay, she watch me. So, hello. Oh, she will catch you without the ear finish. Okay. That's why. You know, guys, imagine it. She's my subscriber, you know. But she will catch her without the hairstyle finish.
Yeah,
Catch her. You know? Yourself, man. See that?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Straight.
so you already subscribed to me a long time, right?
Yeah, me subscribe to you right now.
So
Straight.
Straight. This is going to Brooklyn. So you know you want your sew on, your tie on, your lace on. You know, anytime.
Your wig installment,
yeah.
dreadlocks, every style, every type of style.
So
just come to 2257 Church Avenue.
So you do sister locks too?
Everything.
So until brother locks, you do brother
Everything.
locks.
Brother locks, sister locks, cousin locks, everything.
Come on, the brother locks, you know.
Everything.
See there.
Yes.
Me, man. So yes, over there. Right here.
It's a bowl of British, man.
One ball of British man. Same as the general.
Yeah, massage, yeah? Come here, Pastor.
Oh, you give her a massage?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Give massage.
You say it thing us.
Uppercut, like the barbers. Back to basic.
This is all massage you do.
Look.
See that now? Listen, long as you subscribe to me.
Long time.
Oh, see that, well subscribed.
Yes.
You hit the bell?
Yeah, customer
Long
long time.
time.
Long time.
Yeah, long.
What you think?
Yeah.
Look.
I see that.
Look, it's a customer. 15 years.
Yeah, 15 years. Alright.
Never leave.
Alright, what should I go on now? Watch this. Yeah. Oh, we have vibration and the man on a vibrate.
Original.
I hope that I gonna make me rich, you know.
Yo, Lion, where your phone there?
Hold on, here in the way.
The man on the vibrator and yeah.
Where you gonna buy?
Is that work, Empress?
Wait, what's up?
No.
Yeah.
No, she
Don't move.
Yeah. Sharp.
Next side.
Yeah. Next side. Meat. Yeah.
Yeah, you do everything. Everything. Massage, eyebrow.
Everything.
Everything die, everything. One like that.
In the wall.
347-596-5498. Call me.
Yes.
Baba, Spanish Town.
Spanish Town.
Well Park, Kingston, Uppercut. Dan, dear mother, think of my life. Dear, outside. Sash.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah. The whole entourage.
And over me. Electrum.
So, how was the massage, Empress?
It was wonderful.
The vibration.
Yeah, man. It's a massage at different.
Different levels.
Big up yourself, man.
All right.
Man, the vibrating touch. Yes, you subscribe to it already?
man.
Oh, what?
You subscribe to it already?
So tell man what, Baba? What go on? Let's go on with the vibes.
Yeah.
Customer.
Best customer here.
I see the car here, so if you're not a barber and you want to know where the body business can come to the barber shop and you know everything will go on.
No, that with the
Everything for party.
Oh, the party.
Events.
Yeah.
We're in the Shenlong. It's a party.
Anyway,
Oh, bad man. You're
Yes, sir.
Let's come barber shop. Hair cut. Nice. Finest nice. I got your door.
I got you room. I said buckle and buckle. See there?
Yeah.
She hot, you know.
Yes, besides lady.
Hot Cheryl. Alright. One buzz. Like a one buzz. Buzz like a bees.
I'm a teacher.
See it, man. Buzz like a bees. Yes, stop sharp and neat.
Yeah, man, you don't know we're there for the ground, you know.
Cool,
Can't
man.
waste the time, isn't it?
Can't waste time in a cold.
Yeah,
Waste time.
you know. We are come back for yard still, so
Yeah.
Andrew Holden say, boy, all of them must sell out we want it back.
Yeah.
So all of who down there, we feel like they come from China,
Yeah.
build up big store, we want them back there.
Yes.
So make sure you tell them that.
So it's coming back for it.
We're coming back for it.
And this news is buzzing.
And I'm not joking,
It's
no
coming
laughing
back.
on my teeth.
Alright then.
And I take them now, we're going to put them up. You understand?
Righteousness, man. Yeah.
Right, they say that.
You're gonna be hungry.
Yeah, man, Mr.
Yeah.
Angel Wallace, no more land of yourself. Please and thank you.
Yeah.
And everything when you sell out down there, we want back the airport, we want back the harbour,
Yeah.
and we want back all of the land, because we come back home, come farm, and Jamaica, we paradise, we want back Duns River, we want back the Pretty Blue Sea,
Yeah.
we want back down at Nigger Point,
Yeah.
to the next over Kingston Point,
Yeah.
everywhere.
Pretty.
Please and thank you. We see everywhere. We don't want no more slavery in our life.
Yes.
All of the girls that we breed up and Jamaican come and we live in a paradise. You know? Right, that's what I'm telling you.
Right, that's
You see
the
how
one.
Freedom Street come cross and we are doing good.
Yeah.
So we are come together now and we say alright.
That is it. Buzzing. One buzzing. Big up yourself, my general. What go on? Bianca. I don't
Give him a like
yeah.
you.
She talk already.
Talk about everything.
No, she not hug me yet.
You have to get a hug and go for the thing and make
Okay, come. Say you have to give her a hug. See there, you have to give her a hug. Alright, Bianca.
Nice to meet you.
Because she can do the brother locks to me, you know?
Sister, brother, everything.
Yeah, the sister locks. Some want the brother locks, you know?
Alright.
So it look. Alright then, cool, no? One general outside.
Ball.
One ball with a vibration massage, you know?
Straight from Jamaica.
Straight from
Can't stop.
Jamaica.
Straight.
Dancer too, you know.
Yeah? You two move now?
Yeah, give him 2 3.
Yeah. 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 Hey. Yeah. 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 When they did that.
So.
Oh. Yeah. One ball. Yeah, cooler man. Big up yourself. So how many days in your place in a day? Where you there? Are you actually there? Okay. Yeah.
Don't share. Ask my family them all the best them here wake come on. Ask you like home for start, home for create everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was planning to call you.
Okay.
You want to get a good phone first.
Alright, so get the good phone and then call me.
Yeah, my come your number man always watch you everything I need.
Yeah. Big up yourself, man. Cooler man.
Yeah man. Big up.
Alright then. See you then. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Hold on.
Come here, look to see if I'm an idea, you know.
Yeah, I want to say we leave a good time in about the traffic, man. Traffic. Yeah. I want him over here with traffic. Something else. When you come, ladies. I want him with over here, man. The traffic is something else, man.
When you're not true holiday, man, and I come across.
Yeah. I want to feel close a while ago. Yeah. Cherries. Flatbush. So here you have many Jamaicans on the road, yeah?
Yeah, man. Sure, you come here to see up a church and Flatbush there, so.
Yeah.
People them some Jamaican self on the sidewalk.
Okay. Everyone still have them Christmas shopping, Christmas buying. I want to say a lot of the subscribers them come from over here as well, you know. So when them see a lot of video, they must say, Kino!
Oh, you come here, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, so ragamuffin, you know. Yeah, close place.
Oh, ragamuffin. So right now it's... Oh.
Yo, see him, what?
So your name Ragamuffin.
Yeah, ragamuffin. Come in. You see the sneakers that you like, you know?
Yes, sir. You know, so I get it then.
Any sneakers?
Alright. So anyway, go guys, because I gotta buy me two sneakers. Because we say sneakers over here, right? In England we say trainers.
Yeah.
Alright.
Size 11.
Yeah, Jordan.
13.
Alright then.
Yo, you on it? See me, I feel them place, you know.
Oh, one of the glasses. And come cross. Yo, Nick.
I'm a cousin this. What's up?
Big up, man, bro. I'm a YouTuber, man. From Jamaica. Yeah, man, sir. Big up yourself, man. Give yourself a shout out. Give them
Give a shout out.
What's in it? I don't know.
Kino Live.
Kino Live, guys.
Give me your phone. Where your phone you want?
Yeah.
What be your phone? Let me subscribe. Give me a phone.
You think I do internet?
Listen. Look at him. You see him?
Yeah, I'm Jewish. I don't do internet.
I'm looking better.
We don't do internet.
All over the internet.
We don't do internet.
Okay.
Talk to him.
So you don't watch TV?
No, I don't own TV in my house.
Oh, all the
I
matter
don't have no
things.
TV in my house.
All that.
I have no TV in my house.
Okay, see.
My cousin is.
Radio, listen to radio?
Where radio? It's Jewish radio.
Yeah, Jewish radio.
Okay.
You want to listen?
שינו כל דברי התורה מוקדשים לרפואתו שלמה של ידידי וריקה לבבא של ריקה שם ישלח לו רפואה שלמה אין לה רפאנה לא אין לה רפאנה.
So that's the Jewish radio. So I never knew that still.
Come in. You done with him?
Yeah. I never know the Jewish don't watch TV.
The boss there.
The boss that.
Yeah.
I never know that they don't watch TV.
The boss there.
The big boss.
That's the boss.
Big boss.
Jamaican
YouTuber. Yes.
Help the poor people them in Jamaica in Arima.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
We look out for the poor, man.
For the poor.
But I didn't know that Jew don't watch TV. No.
Hear him. Why you not watch TV?
Too much man like you on the TV, understand?
They said too much man like.
When I look at man, is it?
Yeah, general. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so you know, cuz just buy me sneakers. Yeah, man. Yeah?
You know, Ragamuffin, the spot to be.
Yeah, man, Ragamuffin. Tell him again where.
Ragamuffin, place to be. Any clocks you want, desert boots, Bonquaba, Wallabies, Elstridge, buy one, get one free. Any style, any size, any color, show them on that wall. You have New York Wallabies.
Come in, come show the wall.
They say buy one, get one free.
Right here.
Oh.
These are new Torah Hills with the clocks in the bottom.
Buy one, get one
New York
free.
Wallabies. Buy one, get one. Anyone you want. Here, you want? Show them where's the L stitch, brown L stitch.
Okay.
I have it in all black right here. Buy one, get one.
So guys, so come down to
Any
Ragamuffin.
size, any color you guys.
Buy one, get one free.
What's the address?
938 Flatbush Avenue.
Alright.
Say a yard man to a yard man.
Yeah. Yeah. Buy one, you get one free over here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see it, man. Original. Alright, come in.
Thank you, my friend.
See, when you set me up. Tell you to set me up, you know.
No, man.
Set me up. Guys, them set me up. Them set me up. Yeah, see there? Let me see what I go on. Guys, them set me up.
my brother, man. I got one.
Yeah. See there, them set me up. See there? Them set me up. Guys, them set me up. Guys, you see? Them set me up. Look.
Alright, you good to go.
Okay, so they set me up, man. It's alright, man. They set me up, you know.
Let me see back again, man. Hold on, man. Let me see. The one set me up too. Alright, then. I got you, man.
Yeah, man, Boom a soldier, man. Boom never leave me out, you know. Never.
Wow, chef, also what name? I'm gonna see what his name.
Oh, Jackson. Him not say him go fall asleep.
No, man, I hear that thing Jackson go out with.
Yeah.
Man, how you doing?
Family, you know.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, man.
Kino.
Yeah.
Coming to Jamaica.
A YouTube channel, you know what YouTube? You go on YouTube.
Yeah, I can follow.
Where your phone there?
Yeah. Follow and see how I go on.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Okay, YouTube.
This is the man.
Gonna promote his store.
This is the man.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. But you know, saw some better look. You know, have a more good look.
This is his page.
No joke. So I go on here in Brooklyn. In at the show store. Guys, look what's going on. Look what's going on. Walking over to where you see JC Penny. Cause see it up on the TV. Yeah.
She's following you.
Yeah.
See that?
My man, right
Yeah.
there, from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Straight from Jamaica. Big screen there, man.
You see big screen.
Look at that. I got
That's 10, and this one you tried 10 and a half, so it's size 11.
10 and a half minute try in this one?
Yeah, this you tried.
Yeah? You sure?
Yeah,
I'm gonna try. Let me try.
You tried it. You tried.
I did.
The one you tried it was 10 and a half.
I'm gonna try. Yeah. Let's see where I go. Two of them. Empress. Let me see.
Roll it this way.
See that, guys?
See it?
Okay, 10 and a half the fit. Yeah.
Easy to wear.
Yeah, man, so you know we have to give thanks to Cuz. Yo, you know, this is what Cuz is doing for me. So I got 3 pair. Yeah,
3 pair.
We got 3 pair, guys.
Flatbush. Good price from my Jamaican brothers.
Yes. So let them pack it up for you then. You know, let them pack.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, so we have to give thanks to Cuz, you know, for blessing you. So the general is, it's how we're looking.
Yeah, man, respect.
Tell them where you at.
From India, Flatbush, Brooklyn, New York.
Where this is, right? Where this?
Yeah, Flatbush. 966 Flatbush.
What's the name of the store?
Shady Sportswear.
Shady Sportswear.
Yeah, we are here for 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
So if anyone come in here, they mention Kino, they give them discount, right?
Definitely. I hook them up.
Hook them up.
Yeah.
So you hear that, guys? So if you come here, just mention Kino.
Yes.
He's gonna hook you up.
Yeah, definitely.
Right? Definitely.
Make sure, come, pass by.
Pass by. You know, so right down the road, right, and tell them again, right on Flatbush, the address.
966 Flatbush, Brooklyn, New York, 11226.
Alright. I come you're gonna see Kino life in Jamaica right now on the
Kino is
TV.
my brother. Make sure. Say Kino.
Alright, make sure you say Kino. Yeah, so over here you have the kids section, you know. Over here the adult section, you have all different type of Jordan, you have the Kanye West, you know, so trust me, you have the Easy. Hey, you have the Easy them there, everything there. Everything you can think of, all the Jordans, way back, new back, you know. I have baby clothes, things here. You have tracksuit, you know. Just look at this, them have everything here, guys, everything. So you can come and check them out. Down here, so you have t-shirts and rock, you know, t-shirts and jumper. So come on down, guys. Come on down and check them out. Whoa. Whoa. Nice, man. Big up, you know. Sharp boss. Yeah, man. Big up, man. Good look, man. So no worry, man. When I come down, remember, discount. Key life in Jamaica. 2 in 1 bag.
2 in 1.
Respect. 1 kilo. 1 kilo life, you see. That's right there.
Guys, yeah. You see the love, guys. You see the love. Yeah, man, cause respect in a man for the love in a man. Cool, man. Respect for the love, man. You see the thing, go. So make a fly like Jordan. 3 Jordan right now. 3 pinter. So get 3 Jordan, 3 pinter. Yeah, fly like Jordan right now. You know, fly like Jordan. Here, Jordan. Goodness, you know. Flatbush. This is not where they lock bush. Yeah, man, it's them time there. Yeah. Fat boy. Alright. Load up the bus.
Come, see them of course, come give them an interview. Yeah, Paris theater.
Yeah.
Paris.
Oh, the top shop this. Paris Air Studio. It's not a music studio, but here's where they get the ear well recorded like a studio.
Seneca saw this.
Oh?
Seneca saw this.
Who named Seneca?
My auntie.
Your auntie.
Yeah.
And you are?
I'm Shanique.
Shanique. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Kino.
Nice to meet you.
And your name? Tyra. Nice meeting. Hello, little cousin. You know, I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. You know, so you can check out Kino Life. Oh, tell her again, man. There, man. Yeah, go on YouTube, man. Go on YouTube.
Go on YouTube.
Go on YouTube, sure you are. Go on. Because you know why you're going to see this video as well too. So you're going to see yourself.
No, you look like
But your style is still. You make somebody here look better. So, alright then. Big up, yeah?
Big up yourself. Alright.
But the man still out here. He's not gone. No way, yeah. Him that dance there in my box.
no way.
Him that dance there in start box. Righteous.
Yeah, lion.
One lion.
What you mean? What General?
There, man.
Lion from Zion Break call. Train.
Oh.
Roar to the world.
Oh,
Pick up white van. Roar.
all the time. See there, one white van. Everything with light outside. Like a doorstep.
Mass shoot up on the white van. Video on the white van.
One man show. One little yo. And everything go. So that dance the shot cause. Can you imagine? Shut out. Oh, them gone over there. Alright then. Yeah, cause they know the thing there. We got jump going at the Manhattan. Yeah. We are go we call it so again. Place where no Times Square. We are going for the Trade Center.
Trade Center.
Yeah. Get some video over there.
Okay.
So
now approach, you know.
Everything going on. Cause you know him is straight blood, you know. Nothing but love. Cause nothing but love. Look at you.
Dream, man. Wow, chef.
Aye.
The whole of dream team.
One team.
One team.
One family, one team, and one dream, you know.
And a one team make it work.
Alright.
Cause
yes,
love.
man.
All the time.
All the time.
You don't know.
Yeah, man. So I'm right outside the Barclay Center. You know, here's where they got play basketball. You know, they have all the events here. You know, in Brooklyn. Out here is like a little Manhattan. So I'm outside the Barclay Center where they play basketball. Inside, they all different type of event. You know. So here's where they play basketball as well, right?
Basketball, concerts, everything.
Everything.
Turn it in the next little Madison Square Garden.
Yeah.
I don't know if the toilet for the CM size, you know. But they big.
Yeah. Well, hey guys, you can see that she born here, right? No jackets, nothing at all.
Guys, it's 50 degrees in New York.
Yeah, it's 50. I'm still have to have on something, you know. Imagine her, nothing, you know, on 50 degrees. And look. But yes, we're outside the Barclays.
Downtown Brooklyn.
So we're downtown Brooklyn, right? Burlington. So guys, I'm outside your place. Outside. We're outside and we're not going in. So the Empress in the vehicle.
Alright, next stop.
Yeah, yes. So we're out again, guys. So we're gone now. So we're driving past, so you know we have to stop. And so I go on. We're outside and we're not going in.
So you feel cool. Listen, we feel that.
You can see she born here, you know. So imagine she's outside mingling with the cold.
It's okay. It could be worse. This is a very good New Year's Eve. The weather is great.
Yeah. Very, very.
Be thankful for this. It could be worse. It could be freezing, and we would not be out here.
But the other day it was much colder than this, though.
Yeah.
At least.
Finger biting.
Yes, at least I brought some eat here, you know. Yeah. I brought the eat, guys, so you know it's kind of cool down now because I brought the eat. Empress, you okay? You sure?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Guys,
the light on? Oh, you need it, right, Kino?
You can turn it off now. Alright, guys, so we're gonna hit the road now back. You know, so see the downtown Brooklyn. So if you know you're from Brooklyn, hit me up in the comment section because I'm in your town. So I was here.
Up and down the town.
In a them place. But I was here as well, so I took a picture right near the street here, so the last time. Right near the street next to the police vehicle. Right there. Oh, sorry guys, them say seatbelt. Why do people forget about my seatbelt? Alright guys, so now we're in Manhattan. You know, we're gonna check out the World Trade Center. You know, so we're gonna check out the World Trade Center, the Twin Tower. So we'll just make a stop on the way home. And wow. Wow. So where is it? You know where it is, Empress?
It is further up.
For Japan.
No, not this way, I forgot.
The one with the light on the top.
I think we should go this way. Wow. So we never park somewhere.
Might as well be parked for so much is down like here. There.
See there.
Where it was before it's in the front.
So guys, so this is the new World Trade. Yeah, this one is the new World Trade Center. Wow, the blue light at the top. This is the new one. So this is the mom, yeah. You have to turn the camera all the way up the way this camera, the way this building is tall. Look at that.
Tall, right?
Well, yeah, that's the World Trade Center we're looking at. That's a new one. So welcome to the welcome to the World Trade Center. You know, to allow everyone to say peaceful enjoyment of the facility. And it has instruction maintenance. Automatic vehicles, other vehicles include drones, remote control service, skateboard, railway. So there are a lot of murals around here as well too. This one, yeah, it's like a shopping mall, but right here is where it was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it was closed. You see them have the rope?
It was right here looking like a park now?
Yeah, because see the fall, like a little fall down there. It was right here. It was closed.
From here. That's nice, right?
Yeah. So this is where it was.
Wow. Right in this spot here.
Look behind you. This is where it was. Right behind you. So it closed off now.
Oh, where them close off over this one?
Yeah, you see, can you see India so? Where them have the memorial right in some of the. So we see the lights them in the ground.
Right, but people can go and see it like in the daytime?
Yeah, yeah, but now it's closed. It's closed now. So imagine guys, this is where the World Trade Center was, you know? You know, that disaster that took place in 2001. This is where it was, but it's closed now because you cannot go across this. It's closed because of the time. So only if they came in the day now, then we could have a chance to see it. You know, so, but it's well closed off right now. Can you go in there?
What?
Can you go?
I guess they went. They didn't give a fuck. They just started going.
They're gonna look.
Oh jeez.
Cause that's where the World Trade Center was, right?
What's over there?
Oh, they say it's closed. That's where the center was. That's where the building was.
Over there, so
Yeah.
it's like a big.
So because in there is a memorial museum.
Right.
In there, so normally it's open. Like you get your ticket and they give you the tour. Yeah.
Or you get it for free.
You get it for free, right? No, now.
They just did.
Well, they never reach that far. You almost get there. Almost.
You gotta run next time.
You have to run faster next time.
Yeah. You bad girl. Whatever.
It's closed. Closed.
Okay, now we're together.
So look, you see this?
Oh, this is a nice building though.
But this look like a little spaceship.
Right.
Like a little alien something. We'll see what's over here. Come. So guys, apparently, you know, over there is where the Twin Tower was.
I'd love to come back here.
You know, but it's closed now. Cause over here, see, there's 9/11. That's the museum, the memorial museum right here. This is the museum. But I think they close at certain times. So usually you get your tickets and then they give you the tour of inside there. So apparently it's late now. So let's see what's here. That's an octopus, elephant. I don't know what's this about. So that's why it's good when you get the tour. They can tell you what's up. That's King Kong gorilla. And it's an octopus there. I don't know what's this about. Let me see what's this here. What's it? It's a zebra. I know, not said anything. So you cannot climb on this. You can't climb on the sculptures. I'm coming. This one, wildlife wonders. Look at the dog man and the rabbit man. Wildlife, one of the greatest joys. Wow.
Like you're sitting around the table, right?
Mm-hmm. They're all sitting around the table.
Yeah.
They're all having a nice time. You got the tiger there, we got the lion, we got the giraffe, we got the rhino.
I want to take a picture.
You got the monkeys. Wow. Guys, imagine this. I'm sitting right here.
Oh, yeah.
You know, having a nice time. I'm serving banana. I got cake. I got my tea. I got my salsa. You know, everything is here. Sandwiches, everything. So I'm chilling with the lion, the tiger, the giraffe, the elephant, the rhino, the hippo, bunny, and the dog, man. Yes, we're having dinner. Yeah. Nice. Look at this, guys. It's so nice. But this building, I see everyone's going in. Look what, this is upstairs, right? Oh, it's like a shopping.
What is this? This is nice, Kino.
It's a shopping mall. Let's go inside. Come, let's go inside. Come around here. Look how far we at. We're at the top.
Shaja City. That's a mall.
Yeah, it's like a mall. like a mall. Jaja sitting. Over there, I'm telling you, it's really sad, you know, for all the life that has lost over there where the Trade Center was, you know. So sad. Apparently I will come back here one in the day, you know, we can get a tour of it. So over here we have the World Trade Center pool. Oops. Shops. Yeah. Oh. Nice. It's nice. Wow. Look at this. This is nice. Let me see the street levels. You see you got different levels. Level 1 is where we at? We're at the top.
You should say you are here.
This is probably not that big, right?
No.
Baby, looking very good.
White though.
That looks scary. Oh, is that Santa down here? No.
Yo, this is so nice. You got different levels though, as you can see.
Right.
You have different levels. But it's also going to the next stage. Come. Oh, you got train station run here as well.
Really? Train station?
Yeah.
That's nice. You can't beat that.
There's a train station here.
Wow.
I was train that.
Outline. Number one.
Oh, number one. The one train. The one train. Says shop at the Oculus Center. This is called Oculus Center, Westfield. So here's an Apple store. Apple store. Here's the Apple store there. Wow. So I guess we should have went around that way to go downstairs.
To go downstairs. Oh.
Yeah, let me see if we can do the same here. Yes, you can. No. Yes.
Yeah, you have to go on the other side.
On the other side there. Place white. So white.
Everything white.
Yeah. After this part. It's a shopping mall, you know. Look, this is the part of trains to New Jersey. So you can also get train in here to New Jersey.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Also,
That's a nice train station.
don't it? It's a World Trade Center. It's a World Trade Center train station, so it organized.
Nice and clean. This place is big.
Yeah.
It's like a big airport.
You know, so you can't movie.
Yeah, movie theater.
Yeah. You know, so the place though. The train station is so big. As well, it's big and wide. So that's how much. Imagine how many people come through here.
Right.
Fast train to New Jersey. Look, you go all the way back that way as well, you know. So it's literally underground, you know. We're literally underground. Alright, days. Look.
Nice.
Just imagine this, yeah? You see, even where we park down the road,
Yeah.
we literally walk under the road, you see.
Under it, right?
Yeah, we literally under the road. Can look how far that go back, and we're downstairs.
Right.
Hey, tell you about technology. Tell you the man them is, so talented.
Cut out the place.
Cut out the place underground. Yeah, come on, cut out the place underground. You know, underground remind me of, you know, you're watching them space movie.
Oh.
And you're watching them when people live in space. This is what it look like. And you see the things them on the wall, advertising. You know, this look like you're literally in space. That's what I'm telling you the thing look like. Space, like a space shuttle.
Like a spaceship. Maybe that's
Yeah.
the idea.
So that, yeah, so maybe that's the idea for Indian to look like some space, like we in space.
They have down there some
Where?
a movie theater, you know?
Down here, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
Some advertise like movies.
No,
and
no,
stuff.
basically
They have
advertise
a movie
everything.
theater in here?
Sometimes they have movie events.
Yeah. We are going to here, guys. Sheet.
Let me see camera rolling.
Alright guys, so we're heading out of the building, you know, because we never go much further because of there's gonna be more shopping malls. So just end it right here. And we're gonna go back to the car. Here it is. See? This is a tourist place where everybody come. You know my leg.
Y'all ready? Yeah. 2 packs of
I'm going to tell you. I'm going to speak up. Easy money, that's not crazy.
World Trade Center.
I would really love to go see over there.
Yeah, guys.
Let's come outside.
You know, I can't see in there. No, but we can walk here still and come back front from the front.
Let's walk on the side. Oh, you can't go past.
No, you can walk on the side only. But through this where the white chain is,
Yeah.
you cannot cross it. Nobody can cross it.
Right.
Just alone. So this is an art center here. Where you go upstairs and go in the building, but that's close as well too. So I'm gonna touch the World Trade Center building right now.
You know people are walking right here.
No, you can walk there but you can't go over the line. Yeah. Blessed boss.
You know, you see that big old hole there, hit right, it just
Yeah.
collapsed down.
So this is where the Twin Tower was,
this
right?
is one tower. Then there's one over to the north, and the south is behind that building. That's a museum.
Yeah.
On the other side is another hole like this.
Okay.
That's a
So
memorial.
it was 3 of them.
No, you can't go inside. It's from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Right.
Oh, it's not,
Oh,
security,
it-
they start screaming. That's why we have the chain up.
Oh, you're from the Caribbean, right?
Yeah. So
Where?
you come 8 a.m., 8 p.m., you go in there.
Trinidad?
You can go in there.
Guyana.
You can
No,
go
no.
down
Guyana.
But you can go to the museum and see the fire truck, the ambulance, all the other stuff from the there.
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see from there. So that's the museum. I don't know how much you pay. Maybe $50, maybe more. But that building right behind, that's a museum. So they have all the stuff in there. You walk under here.
And they take you downstairs, right there?
Yeah, they got escalator and stuff like that, and you go around.
Okay.
A lot of stuff
So let
under
me
here.
ask you, what's down there though? What's down there?
It's a pool. It's a pool.
It's just a pool.
Pool with water.
So when you do like a waterfall, if it comes over the edge, you see where the lights are.
Yeah.
This top part is filled with water, and the water drapes over.
Right.
And then there's another hole in the middle that goes though. If you want to take a picture, if you got a camera, you can take a picture with your phone and you shoot it.
Yeah. You gotta hold it like that for me.
Alright, like that? I just
Look on the screen so you see it.
Okay.
Thank you, boss.
Alright, so what we'll do, we're going to see a little square part in the middle, that's the hole where the water is.
I'm from Jamaica, man.
Oh, I'm from Guyana.
Guyana. Big up, man. Big up, big up.
So you come back when it's warm,
Yeah.
they usually turn it on. Like they may have turned it on today,
Mm-hmm.
or it wasn't on, this one was done. But if you walk around the other side, you might hear the water running.
Okay.
So right here, make a right. After you pass the building, you see another hole just like this one.
Just like this one.
So all the names are on top here. You see all the names
Yeah.
of the victims? That's
Oh,
right.
it's on top of right here.
Yeah, and there's lights under it. So when you come close, you have to read the names. So people come to look at the
Yeah,
loved ones
yeah.
all the time. They come, who have loved ones who died, they come and pay respect. They
And
put
pay
roses
respect.
sometimes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank
That's
you
why
so.
they close it off at
So let me
night.
ask you something. All these buildings were around when this happened.
Yeah.
All these buildings close.
Those over there were there.
Yeah.
That one was there too. Yeah, there were most of them. But all of these,
But that's so close to them though.
No, but that these two is new.
That's new.
Yeah.
this here, this is the new one. This is the Freedom Tower.
Which one's Freedom Tower? This one.
There's one World Trade Center right here. This one right here.
Okay. So what's inside of this building?
Office space and all that. Mostly
Oh.
office and all that.
So is that the new trade center, right?
Yeah. So that's the one called Freedom Tower. One World Trade Center.
Yeah. So it's called Freedom Tower.
Yeah. So
Wow. World Trade.
they got 3. There's supposed to be 4. That's called the Oculus.
Yeah.
I think 3 supposed to be there. And there's one over there, 7
over
or
there.
something. The other building across is 7.
Yeah. Wow. And what's in this building right here?
Performance art theater. So
Okay.
this is like big shows and so they
Concerts and stuff.
got 11 violinists and these other kind of different.
Okay. Then big show.
Maybe ballerina stuff and all that.
Yeah, yeah. So this is where it was, you know. So right, thank you, boss. Big up, man, Caribbean brother. So yeah. So this is the new World Trade Center, the Freedom Center. This is the new one. One World Trade Center. This is the new one. Well, at least it's good of him for me. So guys, I want to thank, you know, my Caribbean brother from Guyana that gave me that footage that I could literally see what's down inside there. You know, because they close at 8 p.m. So you know we're here literally in the night. You know, so you know it goes already. So we'll give thanks for that. At least we got a shot of see what's it like. You know. So Kashima is out there in the car. She could have come out. You know, because she have to watch the car, because otherwise we get ticket. Vehicle get taken away. So this is the World Trade Center building. Damn. Can I go inside?
I don't know.
Close?
No?
Lock. Yeah. Just about to go in the building, but it's closed. Well, it must be closed. At this time. Wow. Brookfield. So now
Oh, the mall. Remember the guy was telling us about another mall? It's down this side, right?
Brookfield, yeah, right
Oh,
over there.
okay.
It was gonna end up underneath the ground over there.
Okay.
So it was literally underneath this ground.
Yeah.
This is where it's coming from, under the ground. Under the ground. The new World Trade Center. Just imagine that, man. So the day when those buildings went down, I'm telling you, so you know, rest in peace to everyone that lost someone in that building. It was a terrible tragedy. Trust me, very terrible. So many life was lost. So many life was lost. So it's just memory. So it's too bad I didn't come here in the day. You know, so it's like what I'm saying, $50 for the tour, right?
Yeah.
$50 for the tour.
They
So-
open from 8 to 8 p.m. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Yeah, 8 a.m., 8 p.m. So let's see. Hopefully another day I can come over here and get that tour. Sure. So guys, have you liked the video yet? I know you're watching, but remember to put the thumbs up. You know, remember to give the video a like. You know, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give the video a like if you haven't yet, and you reach this far. Right? That is it. No, this looks like it just this book better. No, she did like move.
Yes. The car light.
Tashima, you
What's
sleeping?
Nope. Chilling. How was it?
Where's
It was good.
Yeah, I saw some more people go out there right now. Like,
Yeah.
I guess they all walking out here.
But all because the center is closed,
Yeah.
I couldn't see you. But we went into the, what do you call it, Oculus?
Oh, the Oculus, yes.
Yeah.
That's the word. Couldn't
So-
remember it. Whatever they built down in big old train station.
Yeah, it's, that's ground zero.
You ever been in there? Yeah?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
So
Nice, man. Nice, pretty.
down there, nice.
Everything white.
Nice.
Can't get whiter than that.
Just, yes guys, so it was a wonderful experience. Can't complain. You know, big up. No, other than the Empress. Thank you so much, Empress, for taking the time out. And Kashima, thank you as well. Too.
Yeah, she go to and get little vibes now. Vibes,
Yes.
vibes up now.
The sound better.
Does it sound better, right?
Yep.
The Kashima, the Google map. Yeah. You know,
Outside.
outside, guys.
Guys, I think I want coffee.
From where?
I don't know. That's what I'm looking for now.
So remember, guys,
I
like
want
the
it
video
down here.
and
Not
share.
just watch.
And
Please.
comment.
Support your brother Kino.
Yeah.
Family.
Okay?
Yes.
Him deserve it.
So like,
You know?
subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend.
Tell a friend, share it to your
Yeah.
family and your friends.
Oh, yeah, I never actually told you
You
my
know?
Instagram handle.
Oh, what's the
Chasing Cash.
Chase?
At Chasing Cash.
Or at Chase?
At _Chasing Cash. Wow. Not,
Like,
not
like,
even
like
that.
the bank Chase?
It's definitely not Chase.
Oh, not that Chase?
Just chase cash around the world too.
Chase cash. So,
I
it's,
don't know.
so it's mean chasing the cash, guys.
Yeah.
You know, so you have to-
Chasing _Cash.
Oh, so
Cash with a K.
okay.
Like Kino.
Oh, so it's a KASH,
Pat.
and the chase is CHASE
SING.
SING.
Yeah, chasing.
Oh, chasing. Oh, she's chasing the cash, chasing the money,
Definitely. All 2025.
chasing the money.
Me and Denda.
Well, I have to teach you how to attract the money to you.
I sure
Whether
will.
you chase it. If you chase it, you're gonna lose yourself chasing it.
Okay, there's a nice mall down here too. It's a big mall. Where did my damn clothes up?
Brookfield? There was a mall behind us.
Oh, so that one. Brookfield. Yeah, it's a Brookfield. Yeah, okay.
Boy, where it was, we could have walked underneath the ground to go to Brookfield just
yes.
now.
They have a nice little like open area. It's really nice.
It's big underground, boy.
Yeah.
Really, really big. Because even the World Trade Center, the Twin Towers was underneath it.
Under the observatory area.
We're supposed to turn right.
No, why straight? Where there?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.